Our first episode is about a guy who is looking for a lifetime partner. His name is Success, single and works at a university as a computer technician, and is planning to go abroad. He asks his boss if he can post a job hiring a replacement for his position because he leaves his job to go abroad and eventually work after he studies. His boss allows him to post a job hiring for his replacement online. A lot of male applicants send CVs and cover letters. He checks each of the applicants' profiles on social media to check if they have a beautiful single sister. He found a beautiful girl named Martha, single, in one of the applicants' profiles. So, he messages her on social media asking if she knows someone who is willing to work as a computer technician at a university, and she said, "Yes, of course. My brother is looking for that kind of job." But she asked Success, "Why did you message me instead of my brother?" And he replied, "Because it feels awkward if I directly message him because he's also a guy like me, so I message you instead." Luckily, his brother got hired at the university, and Success and Martha got close because of that. Presently, they are happily married and live abroad,